Welcome to our channel. Activating your Roku channel subscription is easy and gets you streaming your favorite content in no time. Here's what to do. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and navigate to the home screen using your remote control. Step 2. Go to the Roku channel store by selecting streaming channels from the home menu. Browse or search for the channel you want to activate. Step 3. Add the channel to your Roku device by selecting it and clicking Add Channel. Wait for the channel to download and install. Step 4. Open the newly installed channel from your home screen. Most channels will display an activation code on your TV screen. Step 5. On your computer or smartphone, visit the activation website shown on your TV. This URL is typically something like channelname.com activate. Step 6. Enter the activation code displayed on your Roku screen into the website. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. Step 7. Sign into your account for the channel service if required, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Step 8. Complete any subscription or payment steps if the channel requires a paid subscription. Once finished, your Roku will automatically refresh, and you can start watching content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.